CJ. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Try. Anyways, that was the trial round. 3, 2, 1, go! One point to loser. Choose your player. Alright.
You can look now.
You guys can look now. You guys can look. In 3, 2, 1.
Okay! No, you got it, but you're late. What did you say? Yeah!
Okay, 1-1.
Hoy, bawal
Team losers, where's your player? Where's your player? Alright. Are you ready? Actually, it's okay. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Jackie!
Sabay!
May laway! Laway mo! Hoy, ang cute yung laway mo! Pares na eh!
Sige mo sa una.
Sabay!
Sabay tayo.
Okay.
Sabay.
Tie. So, next person.
Ay, wala.
Team loser. Next person. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Daphne!
Sabi niya, teka.
Malamig!
Narinig ko teka eh.
Sabi niya, Napi.
Bagay yun!
Anak ni.
Ikaw sino?
Ay.
Din na.
Next player.
Nakikita niyo ko mo.
Alright, ready?
Kim!
Ready?
Kim yung
3, 2, 1.
John!
What's her name, John?
What?
Alright, 3-3. Next player.
Grabe, pares mo ako!
Next
You are
player.
amazing! Grabe!
Ready? 1,
Sino manalo, papapi ang
3,
tunay?
go!
Pagod! Peter! Sabay lang.
Tay. Ay.
Guys, yun yung mga papapi sa aming grupo.
Si Alden.
Ay. Alright. Next player. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
May bawal kumarap.
Oh, marapon!
Kayo na. Hindi kasi nakikinig.
Choose your player.
Walang gusto lumaban.
No so name. Let's go. Alright, ready. 3, 2, 1, go!
Mark!
Carlos first.
Si Mark.
Marcos first.
Man to be.
2, 1. Alright. Okay. Alright, next player.
Pass na
Next
sila.
player. Whoever wins, may hug from CJ. Ay! Alright, next. Alright, ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Jordan! Kai!
Alright. Alright. Dito may talo dito eh. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Marco!
Okay! Turn around. Choose your player. Choose your player. Alright, ready?
Go, CJ!
Ready?
CJ!
Go!
Jovina! She's the only one who's Actually,
She was waiting for that.
Nag-stay lang siya sa sagot.
Alright. 4-4.
Karo yata kasi kinala niya.
Alright, this is the final round. So this is 4-4. Choose
Likod lahat.
players.
Sa likod.
Talikod first.
Choose your 3 players.
Nakikita namin sa
Wait lang.
Choose your 3 players. Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1, shot!
Bakit sila hindi pa nakaupo? Bakit sila hindi pa nakaupo?
No, sabi namin. No, sabi namin, flow. Flow.
Ang lakas ng boses nito! Lahat
Ang lakas naman eh, lakas naman eh.
sabi nila, hindi ko sabi
Hindi ko yung narinig ko.
Amigo eh.
Alright. Team winner, team win. Alright, don't go back to your seats yet. There is a second game.